Okay, for dinner tonight, we got some chicken Alfredo right here with some grilled chicken. Beautiful garlic bread. We're gonna start by heating up a skillet and adding some olive oil. Then we're going to add chicken fillets that's been pre-seasoned with the Angus and orange seasoning with some salt and pepper and garlic. I will put the recipe below. Then you're going to cook the chicken each side for about 15 minutes. Covering the chicken is optional, but I usually just do it just for a little bit to speed up the process of cooking the chicken. Once each side have been cooked to 15 minutes, go ahead and flip it to the other side and cook it for another 15 minutes. In the meantime, go ahead and dice up your red onions. If you don't have any red onions, go ahead and use yellow or white onions. By this time, your chicken will be complete and it will look like this. Really nice color, really juicy, and also will have some residue of the oil, olive oil, as well as the seasoning. We are going to keep that for the next step. In the same skillet, you're going to add some minced garlic, about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. You're going to mix it up with the leftover residue of the oil and seasoning. You're going to add your tomato paste and your diced onions. You're going to keep mixing and you're going to add your butter. Keep mixing until the butter has melted, and you're doing all of this on medium-high heat. Once the butter has been melted, you're going to go ahead and add your cream. And go ahead and reduce the heat while you add your cream and keep stirring until it has been combined. Then you're going to go ahead and add your milk as well as your shredded cheese. While your cream is heating up to simmer, you're going to slice your cooked chicken fillets, whichever way you like. It could be smaller or thicker. I decided to just do it like, these sizes so that I can top off the meal. This is a perfect time actually to add your chicken back into the cream if you want, but I typically just like to add it at the end of the cooking. And go ahead and cook your pasta before all these steps. I totally forgot to add that. But yeah, cook your pasta before all of this step. And then once your pasta has been cooked to, al dente, you're going to add it into the cream. And then now you're going to mix all of it together. And at this point, the stove is on low right now. So we don't want to burn the cream. So you're going to keep mixing until everything's combined very nicely. As you can tell from the video, the noodles were cooked al dente, and as we were mixing it was still cooking, and the sauce has been reduced, and the noodles has thickened. The sauce and the noodles also has thickened. Now add your sliced chicken on top, on the noodles, and any kind of broth that's left over the sauces from the chicken, you're gonna go ahead and add it inside the skillet as well. And you're gonna add some Italian seasoning, and then it's practical finish, guys. This is super easy. You can pair it with garlic bread if you have time to make some garlic bread, or you can just eat it like that. I sometimes eat it too with just like a regular baguette or like a piece of toast. It's absolutely delicious. We also had it with some broccoli. I made some steamed broccoli. It's not on the video, but it pairs well with steamed broccoli as well. But this recipe is super easy, super delicious, honestly, to make. And the recipe will be below. And let me know what you think. Should I continue to make videos like that? I'm trying to go back to making my cooking videos again, but I hope you guys like this recipe. Let me know below. Thank you.